Everybody, welcome to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how to create our first Flutter project. So just follow along with me, but before we get started, you must make sure you have already set up all your environment, because it's a little bit complicated, but it's not hard. But anyhow, before you get started, make sure you have already done that. So because I've already done that in this video, we are not going to do that, but in this video we're going to take a look on how we can create our first Flutter project. So just follow along with me. As you can see, I have my Android Studio here. So if you are using Mac, you are not yet launched it, you can go here. So yeah, you can launch it here. So that is it. Let's get started. Go here, create new Flutter project. So we have to take a Flutter application, the first one, and I'm going to just give the name learn program, learn programming, then okay, learn program. Colors. That's gonna be the name, learn program. Next and finish. For those of you creating it for your first time, it's gonna take a little bit longer than mine, depending on your internet speed. Creating the Flutter project. So yeah, this is how you create your Flutter project. It will come with a sample code Flutter demo. So let us just run it. I'll use my iPhone X. Maybe you can use the Android Studio if you already create a emulator. So yeah, if you already create your virtual device, you can use Android. If not, okay, I'll link to a link below where you can do it. So I'll just run the project. It's gonna take some seconds to build. The basic project, when you create your first Flutter project, always come with a sample demo, which is nothing but a counter, floating action button. Is it installing? Yeah, this is it. Pretty much we go. You have pushed the button this many times, so if you keep on tapping this button, you see, keep on changing. So this is how you create your first Flutter project. Thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video, and if there's any comment, please leave it down below. Till then, see you next time. If you don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more video. Until then, see you.